Your car's dashboard is like the cockpit of an airplane, full of crucial indicators that let you know what's happening under the hood. But with so many lights, it's easy to overlook one that could signal a serious problem. Some of these can lead to costly repairs down the road, which is why you should understand every one of them. Today, we're breaking down the dashboard warning lights you should never ignore, from the check engine light to the oil pressure warning. So, let's get started. Check engine light. First up is the check engine light. This is one of the most common and often misunderstood warning lights. When it comes on, it can indicate anything from a loose gas cap to a serious engine issue. You don't need to panic if it lights up, but you definitely shouldn't ignore it. Oil pressure warning light. The next light you should never ignore is the oil pressure warning light. When this light comes on, it means your engine is losing oil pressure, and continuing to drive could lead to severe engine damage. Battery warning light. Next, let's talk about the battery warning light. This light indicates that your vehicle's charging system isn't working properly, meaning your battery may not be getting charged. It could point to a bad alternator, loose battery connections, or a dying battery. If the battery light comes on while driving, your car is running on battery power alone, and you could lose power soon. Coolant temperature warning light. Another critical warning light is the coolant temperature warning light. When this light turns on, it means your engine is overheating. This can be caused by low coolant levels, a malfunctioning thermostat, or a problem with your radiator. If you see this light, pull over immediately. Continuing to drive with an overheated engine can cause permanent damage like a blown head gasket or warped engine parts. Brake system warning light. The brake system warning light is another one that demands your attention. This light could mean that your brake fluid is low, or there's a problem with your braking system, like worn brake pads or a faulty ABS system. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, light. Next, let's talk about the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, light. This light alerts you when one or more of your tires are significantly underinflated, which can lead to poor handling, reduced fuel efficiency, and even tire blowouts. If the TPMS light comes on, check your tire pressure as soon as possible and inflate your tires to the manufacturer's recommended levels. ABS warning light. The ABS, anti-lock braking system, warning light is next. This system helps prevent your wheels from locking up during hard braking, allowing you to maintain steering control. When the ABS light comes on, it means the system is malfunctioning, and your car may not handle emergency stops as effectively. Airbag warning light. Now let's talk about the airbag warning light. This light indicates that there's a problem with your vehicle's airbag system. If the airbag light is on, it means your airbags may not deploy in the event of an accident. If this light stays on after starting your car, it's critical to get your airbag system inspected. Traction control warning light. The traction control warning light shows up when your traction control system, which helps maintain stability on slippery surfaces, isn't functioning properly. This system reduces wheel spin and helps you stay in control, especially in wet or icy conditions. Power steering warning light. The power steering warning light lets you know that there's an issue with your power steering system. Without power steering, your car will become much harder to turn, especially at low speeds. If this light comes on, check your power steering fluid levels first. If that doesn't fix the issue, you could be dealing with a failing power steering pump or an issue with your steering system's electrical components. So, there you have it, the most important dashboard warning lights you should never ignore. While some lights require immediate attention, others give you a little more time. But remember, every warning light is there for a reason. Ignoring them could lead to costly repairs or, even worse, put your safety at risk.